What would be better than making money on buying and selling Solana? How about doing it tax-free using a strategy that's sitting right in front of you, the Roth IRA? I know a lot of people think about a Roth IRA or any retirement account and think of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, but your Roth IRA can buy and sell crypto totally tax-free. On today's video, I'm going to break down how you do that. By the way, the same strategy works for XRP, BTC, whatever crypto you want to buy and sell. I'm going to break it down in today's video. I'm Matt Sorensen. Let's build wealth. Now, I want to break down the 3 steps. First, we're going to go over opening the account and the account type. We typically love a Roth IRA, but I'm going to come back to that here in a second. The next step you got to go over is funding the account. Maybe you transfer money over or do a rollover, or maybe make a new contribution. We're going to explain that in your options there. And then the third option is, how do I actually buy crypto in my retirement account? Well, you need to make sure you're using a provider like Directed IRA, where we have a crypto IRA product where you can use retirement account funds to buy and sell crypto. All right, let's go over step 1 here, opening the account. Now, at our company, Directed IRA, we have an actual crypto IRA product. But within that crypto IRA product, you can choose to do a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA. This could be a health savings account, a Coverdell education savings account. So all these different retirement account or tax advantage accounts you can use for this strategy. Now, the Roth IRA has been the most popular, and the reason why is a lot of savvy crypto investors who have made money on crypto have had to pay money to the IRS and to the state in taxes, and they don't like that. So they're like, how can I do this and keep all the profits for myself in a long-term wealth building strategy? Now, in the Roth IRA, you don't get a tax deduction when you put the money in, but there are 2 major perks to the Roth IRA. First is I'm investing the money, and let's say I bought Solana and Solana goes up and I sell it. Well, that gain goes back into my Roth IRA and there's no tax on it. Nothing's going on in my 1040, I'm not sending money to the IRS or the state on that gain. The second benefit you get though, in addition to that investing and growing it and building it up, paying no taxes, is when I hit retirement at age 59 and a half, there's no taxes on the way out. So that's how a Roth IRA works, whether you're buying stocks or mutual funds or ETFs. It's the same strategy and structure, the same IRS approved method for you to build and grow wealth. We're just doing it with an asset you may love and believe in, like Solana. All right, now the second step is, how do I fund this account? Well, the easiest is, if you have a Roth IRA already, maybe it's just at a broker dealer buying stocks or ETFs, well, you can transfer that Roth IRA or a portion of the funds, it could be the full amount or a partial, from let's say Fidelity or TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab, wherever the funds are at in a Roth IRA, over to a crypto Roth IRA at Directed IRA. There's no tax, there's no penalty, you've just changed the custodian of that account, and you're over at Directed IRA, our company, because we let you choose with the crypto IRA product what cryptocurrencies you want to buy and sell as an investment in your IRA. Now, the other way to fund the Roth IRA is just with a new contribution. You may not have a Roth IRA right now, but you can do a new contribution, $7,000 a year, $8,000 if you're 50 or older, where you can put a new contribution into the Roth IRA. Now, we're sitting in early 2025 right now. What that means is I can still make a 2024 contribution of $7,000 plus a 2025 contribution of $7,000 for a total of 14 grand. The contribution deadline for 2024 is April 15th, 2025. Now, if you have a spouse, your spouse can do the same thing. They could put $7,000 in for 2024, $7,000 in for 2025. And between the two of you, you could have $28,000 of new dollars contributed into a Roth IRA, invested in 2 separate crypto Roth accounts. You each have to have your own, but that could be invested in Solana or other cryptocurrencies, growing now and coming out tax-free at retirement. Now, you might have been told you make too much money to do a Roth IRA. Now, that is not true. You make too much money to do a regular Roth IRA contribution through the front door. This is if you make maybe $160,000 or more single, a couple $100,000 or more adjusted gross income if you're married. So if you phase out for a regular Roth IRA contribution, you can still do this strategy. Don't worry. You just have to do a backdoor Roth IRA. And in a backdoor Roth IRA, what you're doing is you're making your annual contribution of $7,000 and you're making it into a traditional IRA and not taking a deduction. It's called a non-deductible traditional IRA contribution. Well, what you do next is you then convert that traditional non-deductible contribution over to Roth dollars into a Roth IRA. So it is a 2-step process. You'll need a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA, but I've shot a video here that goes over how the backdoor Roth IRA works, and we do a crypto backdoor Roth IRA where we take care of this process for you at our company, Directed IRA. Now, if you're doing an ESA or an HSA or even a traditional IRA, the contribution rules are a little different between those and how much amounts you can get in each year. Make sure you understand those. We've got a ton of resources at our website, directedira.com, on the rules and how much you can get in. But once you've got that money into the IRA, either from a transfer or an old employer rollover or this new contribution, I've got the money in my crypto Roth IRA. What we do is we then deposit that money into a Gemini exchange wallet. So we have a special relationship with Gemini. Gemini has a massive exchange exchange, a lot of security and compliance, and your money is then invested through a Gemini exchange wallet where you are the trader on the account. Your crypto Roth IRA owns it. So the owner of your Gemini wallet is not you, it's your Roth IRA. And because it's your Roth IRA, it doesn't go on your tax return. It doesn't go on your 1040. All of the gains are going and building back up in your Roth IRA for long-term wealth building, coming out later at 59.5. Remember, this is long-term wealth building, but I'm paying no taxes. I'm growing and building up this Roth IRA on crypto with whatever cryptocurrencies I want. Now, when you're logged into your Gemini exchange account, you can go and trade whatever cryptocurrencies you want. So if you want to buy Solana or BTC or any other cryptocurrencies, you make those trades on the exchange. We don't have control of that. We're not having a say in that. Your Roth IRA is being self-directed by you, investing into the cryptocurrencies you know and believe in. And we've helped thousands of clients invest hundreds of millions of dollars using these tax advantage accounts like a Roth IRA into cryptocurrency. So give our team a call. We'll be happy to walk you through the process and get an account set up for you so you can then get it funded and invest it into the cryptocurrencies you know and believe in. Now, if you like today's video, please make sure you subscribe. I've got a lot of tips on saving taxes on crypto, saving taxes on real estate and other small businesses, protecting your assets, growing and building wealth. I'm Matt Sorensen. We'll see you next time.